Okay guys, I just wanted to show you how I get rid of my hiccups. I don't know about you, but my hiccups are really painful, so I have to get rid of them. And I have discovered a way that has worked for years since I don't know when I discovered this, that's how long ago I've done it. So I take my glass of water and I have a pattern. I first take the first drink plugging my ears, the second drink plugging my ears. The third drink I swallow it looking up. The fourth drink, I swallow it looking up. So I do those twice, and everything twice. And then the third step is I drink it, swallowing it upside down, twice. It has to be twice. I don't know why, but it works every time. Here I go. Just checking my camera. Okay, ready? I even let it come up a little and just swallow it and swallow it and swallow it. It really gets the heart of that hiccup. Okay, so let me know what works for you and let me know if that works for you. But it works for me every time. Okay, thanks guys. Have a great day.